shoe collection I get back. So first, the new ones, I have Kyrie's. Well, they look a little wonky with long socks. But then I have Concords 11s. I love. So these are the Concords, the ones I have on my feet. Kara's going to help me. She's my assistant. These are my first pair of Jordans. They're ones. I don't really know what they're called, but they're my first. We were looking at those today about how clean they were. They really are. These are my second favorite. Well, third now. But these are cool grays.
Get all your kicks back.
Thank
she ain't
you.
gonna know what to do.
Now these are taxis. We have a history behind these. Dad got really mad because I told him I didn't like them before they came in, and now I like really love them. We got these in LA. These are ones. I don't know what they're called.
Oh, but they fire.
They are.
Maybe like his sweater.
Oh. And then I have, what's this? This is your box. I have Vapor Maxes.
What do you want?
Then I have Dunks, but they're Jordans.
Jordan 1 lows.
Jordan 1 lows. They're not Dunks. I like the Jordans better.
Tell them how you get your stuff back. Hold on, fix that back.
Oh.
Fix it.
Wait.
No. There
Oh
you
my
go.
Lord.
Flip it now.
Boy,
Oh.
boy, Lord.
She don't work at the department store.
Definitely not.
Give them some hype motivation.
These are my favorite. These are Red Thunders. Respect your parents.
Yeah, exactly.
Or you're gonna be like me and wear.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
Socks.
That's what she was wearing. Sneak around. I put her in some Walmart shoes.
No,
Then she sneak in school. Hold on. Let me tell a story. So she get in trouble for being a class clown. Thank God she's smart. She got good grades. Ain't got to worry about it. Class clown interrupting the class. So I put her butt, took her shoes after warning, took her shoes, put in some Walmart shoes. Some strappers. The one with the little Velcro straps. Strappers. So what she did is, thought she was smart, go to school, then go take her shoes off, walk around with socks till her friends bring her shoes. Then the teacher called me and tell me she was doing that. But we starting over. Boy, I swear.
These are my Air Forces. They're not laced currently, but they're here.
They're here.
They're there. And then these are, what are these? What? I don't.
You don't even know what those are. Ain't they 13s?
They're not. I thought they were 15s.
Man, they 13s.
Well, 13s or 15s.
One
of them. I get those. Oh, I have those.
You probably got too much shoes. You don't even know what you got.
Nike Air Maxes.
I have those.
Yeah, Kara has these. Wait.
No, you had it right. There you go.
Oh. And then, this is another one of your boxes. I have 6s.
Oh my Lord.
I caught
Jesus.
it.
Somebody come help
6s,
us.
but I got the University Blue. Wait.
Look,
Yo,
the big
what
part go
in
right
the
there.
hell?
No, right there.
Wait.
Look, big part there. Woo.
Big part,
Oh,
little
I
part.
had
Big
it.
part, little part.
Okay.
She don't play.
And then I
Tetris
have
enough.
13s.
I like those ones.
Some guy at the gym had black ones.
Oh,
and
black.
purple.
My boy Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin. And then we have Mellows.
I like the mellows too.
Yeah. I have Mellows. Hold
Yeah,
up.
they're a pretty cool shoe.
Hold up. Let me
Mello, holla at us, man.
Yes, sir. How do I put these back?
Oh, here she goes.
Man, help her out. Just help her out. Keep it going.
This way, right?
Cause she had, boy, I swear. You
These
say
we
you
got in
brains,
LA.
but
We got these in LA. These are 3s.
I like those too.
I like the new red ones they got. I think
Oh,
David
they're
got some, don't he?
He got my cooking stuff.
Babe,
Can you,
babe.
Dad has these. These are ones. I put pink laces, and my other one has all black.
ooh, I like those ones.
Is that the ones that Avery got?
I think I don't know. She got something
Avery
like
got
that, but
some
it's
Jordans for
a
Christmas.
different kind of color scheme.
I have these. I think these are your favorite. But I
Yeah.
got these for Christmas a couple years ago.
Last year.
Oh, last year?
Mhm.
Oh, last year. They still fit me even though they were 8, but these are 4s. And then, yeah,
That's all.
We got. Oh yeah, you don't want to do your Pumas.
Well,
And then,
I mean, these were for dance, but
And then she got the rest of the shoes in her room. But
rest of my shoes.
make sure y'all, the rest of the ones in your closet, whatever. But all right, take them out, boo.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so
You won't miss out on the future videos. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. We could not do this without y'all, man. Y'all are a true blessing. True blessing. We appreciate that.